Welcome to the Times of MGM. My name is Apurva Soni of Class 10C. Today's news headlines are as follows. First of all, some international news. Huge California wildfire grows as heat spike again across much of the state. UN Security Council condemns attack on Afghan civilian. UN create permanent body to address challenges of racism. Now some national news. Home Ministry recommends disciplinary action against former CBI Director Alok Verma. Monthly production capacity of Covishield projected to increase to 120 million doses. Covaxin to 58 million doses. Now some state news. Chhattisgarh makes negative RT-PCR test. Report must for flyers from 8 August. 3 Naxals gunned down in encounter in Chhattisgarh's Dantewada. Weapons recovered. Now some sport news. Neeraj Chopra stormed into men's javelin through final in Tokyo Olympics. Boxer Lovlina settles for bronze. Wrestler Ravi and Deepak in semis. Now an update from MGM. It was a remarkable achievement for the class 10 students of the MGM to secure 100% result in AISSC examination. Out of the total number of 516 students who appeared in the examination, 49 students secured 90% and above, while 334 scored between 60% to 89%. That's all for today's news. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our online lecture series on artificial intelligence. We will carry on this journey into this lecture series where we left in our last session. So let's start our today's session. So in our previous session we have seen programming languages used for AI and introduction to Python and features of Python, why Python is most preferred language we have seen and discussed in our previous session. Then we have also discussed briefly about artificial intelligence tree, various branches of AI such as machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, etc. So we have discussed this briefly in our previous session. Okay, so we will discuss what we are going to learn today, or you can say today's agenda of this session. Today we will have an introduction to machine learning. We will briefly discuss what all things and what is machine learning, what all things are required in machine learning, and need for machine learning, why machine learning is necessary, what all things or factors responsible so there is a need for machine learning. We will try to mainly focus today on machine learning, which is a branch of artificial intelligence. So today's session will be fully related to machine learning. Yes. So be with me and let us learn something about machine learning. Okay, so let us start with our today's first topic, which is introduction to machine learning. And as always, the first question is, what is machine learning? Machine learning क्या है? So by name itself, you can the name suggests that machine which is learning, or you can say that we are making a machine to learn something. The first thing to know about machine learning is that it is a subset or subfield of artificial intelligence. हमने अपनी पहली क्लास में भी देखा था when we were discussing the artificial intelligence tree, that machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence, or you can say subset or subfield of artificial intelligence. And in the year 1959, Arthur Samuel first coined the term machine learning. And what is machine learning? It provides machine the ability to learn automatically and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. हम मशीन लर्निंग में क्या करते हैं? We use certain set of instructions or you can say algorithms जिससे हम मशीन को लर्न करवाते हैं. We try to make it to learn by itself and we इसमें जो हम मशीन को जब सिखाते हैं तो हम उसे डायरेक्टली कोई इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं देते हैं, वो इनडायरेक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शंस होता है. और जैसे कि यहाँ पे आप पढ़ पा रहे हैं विदाउट बीइंग एक्सप्लिसिटली प्रोग्राम, उसमें ह्यूमंस का जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है वो बहुत कम होता है. सो मशीन लर्निंग में by using machine learning we make a machine to do its tasks uh, by itself, by its own. Yes. So there are few examples by which we can see that machine learning's applications. Machine learning can be used in medical diagnosis, image processing, speech recognition, classification, prediction, extraction of information. Main काम जो machine learning में होता है, we feed data to machine. हम machine को data feed करते हैं and we try to make that machine to learn from the data and make a decision based on what it has already learned from the data. और इसी को यूज करके मशीन लर्निंग को यूज करके we can make medical diagnosis applications, image processing applications. We can classify between different objects. We can train a machine using machine learning to identify and classify between objects. We can also make a predicting model or predictor model using machine learning. अगर for example हमें एक रेन का occurrence अगर predict करना है, then by using machine learning and machine learning algorithm we can make a machine that can predict the possibility of rain. And using machine learning we can also extract the most desired information from a data. So these all things can be done using machine learning. Basically, we are making a machine to learn using data so that we can make that machine to deliver the desired output which we are looking for. We will know it better in our next slides, or you can say upcoming slides. Okay, so now let us discuss what all things are required if we are using machine learning and building a model. So the first thing required is data. The second thing is machine. Okay, so using data and training machine, we will ultimately make a model. Okay, so for this, suppose let us take an example. हम एक example लेते हैं where we are going to predict a person's height if his weight is given. अब हम एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं जिसमें हम एक ऐसा प्रिडिक्टिंग मॉडल बना रहे हैं यूजिंग मशीन लर्निंग where we are going to predict the height of a person if his weight is given. So the first thing which is required is data. अब क्योंकि हम ऐसा प्रिडिक्टिंग मॉडल बना रहे हैं जिसमें किसी पर्सन का हमको हाइट प्रिडिक्ट करना है अगर उसका वेट दिया हुआ है, तो सबसे पहले हमें जरूरत पड़ेगी डेटा की. ओके, सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट टाइप ऑफ डेटा वी आर रिक्वायर्ड. अगर हम इसी एग्जांपल को लेके अगर देखें जिसमें हम हाइट प्रिडिक्ट करने वाले हैं, सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ डेटा आर वी डू वी नीड. हमें ऐसा डेटा चाहिए जिसमें कई सारे लोगों का where we find many persons height and weight. Okay, a large data set of various persons with their height and weight. We require that data to build a predicting model which can predict height of a person if his weight is given. Now the second question is how we can get that data. The first option is वेब स्क्रैपिंग. हम इंटरनेट में सर्च कर सकते हैं, उस ऐसे हमें कई सारे साइट्स मिल जाएंगे जो डेटा प्रोवाइड करते हैं, सच एज कैगल, देयर आर मेनी अदर्स जो आपको डायरेक्टली ऐसे डेटा प्रोवाइड करेंगे कई सारे लोगों का जो आप बिल्ड कर रहे हैं प्रेडिक्टिंग मॉडल, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आप उसके डेटा को वहां से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. So suppose we are now having and acquired the required data of persons with various persons with height and weight. The first thing we do is we feed that data to machine. Now we are feeding the acquired data or the desired data we were looking for to the machine, and using machine learning algorithm we train the machine. अब हम उस डेटा को जो हमने गैदर किया है जिसमें हाइट और वेट दिया हुआ है लोगों का, उसको हम यूज करेंगे और अब मशीन को हम करना चालू करेंगे ट्रेन. वी विल ट्रेन द मशीन यूजिंग दिस डेटा. अब उसके लिए भी सबसे पहले डेटा को डिवाइड करना बहुत जरूरी है. The maximum part of data is used to train the machine. Say about 80 to 90% of the data is used to train the machine. हम 80 to 90% जो डेटा होता है उसका हम यूज करते हैं मशीन को ट्रेन करने के लिए. अब मशीन को ट्रेन कैसे करते हैं? यूजिंग वेरियस मशीन लर्निंग एल्गोरिदम्स विच इज बेसिकली मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस. हम उनका यूज करके मशीन को ट्रेन करते हैं. द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द डेटा विच इज अबाउट 5 to 10% इज सेट टू, हम उसे अलग से रख लेते हैं. वी कीप इट एज अ टेस्टिंग डेटा. हम उसे टेस्टिंग डेटा की तरह अपने पास रख लेते हैं और वो डेटा को हम ऐसा रखते हैं दैट कि वो जो डेटा हम रखे हुए हैं बाकी बचा हुआ, वो उसमें कहीं भी कोई खराबी नहीं है और वो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है टेस्ट करने के लिए. वेयर वी आर श्योर दैट दैट डेटा इज ऑथेंटिक and we try to test that using that data, remaining data 5 to 10% we use to test the machine. हम मशीन को टेस्ट करते हैं उस डेटा से so that the machine can be evaluated and the efficiency and the working capability of machine can be evaluated. Okay, so पहले हम क्या किए? सबसे पहले हमने डेटा गैदर किया. पहले हमने डेटा को गैदर किया और डेटा गैदर करने के बाद we feed it to the machine where we train the machine so that it can be made into a model, predicting model. Okay, so again coming back to our example where we are trying to figure out a person's height, or we are building a predicting model which can predict the height of a person if his weight is given. So अब हमने मशीन को ट्रेन कर लिया है ट्रेनिंग डेटा यूज करके. We have already tested the machine that it is working perfectly. Now if we enter any person's weight, suppose मुझे किसी पर्सन का हाइट पता करना है और मुझे उसका वेट पता है. So when I input his weight, the machine will predict a predicting outcome. अब मशीन का जो प्रिडिक्टिंग मॉडल है वो रिजल्ट देगा एक प्रिडिक्टिंग आउटकम देगा. So this is how machine learning model works, and we use data to train and test machine so that a predicting model is being developed. So there are some prerequisites for making a predictor model. अब जैसे हमने पिछले अपने स्लाइड में देखा ही है कि हमें क्या क्या चीजों की जरूरत है एक प्रेडिक्टिंग मॉडल बनाने के लिए. Let us see it more briefly. First thing is algorithms. We require algorithms. Algorithms क्या? What is algorithms? So algorithms is a set of instructions or techniques that we use to learn from data. हम algorithms का use करके we try to figure out a pattern or a key trend of data. हम data से उसका key trend या pattern एक लर्न करने का जानने का कोशिश करते हैं यूजिंग एल्गोरिथम्स. The second thing which is required is model. So now what is model? A model is trained by using a machine learning algorithms. हम machine learning algorithms का यूज करके हम मॉडल बनाते हैं. Yes. Third thing is predictor variable. Now let us go back to our example where we were making a predicting model to predict height of a person if his weight is given. So predictor variable is a feature of the data that can be used to predict the output. अगर हम अपने एग्जाम्पल में देखें जहां पे हम वेट का यूज कर रहे थे प्रेडिक्ट करने के लिए हाइट ऑफ अ पर्सन. सो here the weight of a person which is required to predict the height is the predictor variable we are using. Okay, so predictor variable कुछ नहीं है, जो हमारे पास डेटा में जो एक फीचर जो हमको जरूरत होती है जिससे हम आउटपुट को प्रिडिक्ट करते हैं, तो जो इनपुट हम दे रहे हैं उसे ही हम प्रिडिक्टर मॉडल कहते हैं. Next is response variable. The output which has to be predicted becomes response variable. Now again, going back to our example, हम वहां पे predict कर रहे थे height of a person. So response variable वही है, सेम है. response variable यानी कि हम height जो person का हम find out करना चाह रहे थे. So we are using predictor variable to get an output which is a response variable. Next is training data. Okay, as I have said earlier, we divide data into two categories. First is the training data. Okay, and the training data has to be the most part of the data. मतलब data का 80 to 90% जो होता है वो हम ट्रेनिंग डेटा की तरह यूज करते हैं. वी यूज टू यूज इट टू ट्रेन द मशीन. एंड ट्रेनिंग डेटा में क्या होता है, द मशीन लर्निंग मॉडल इज बिल्ड यूजिंग द ट्रेनिंग डेटा. इट हेल्प्स टू identify the key trends. Okay, using training data we try to find the key trends of the data. And the last one is testing data. Okay, again very little part of the data, that is about 5 to 10% of the data which we are really sure about that it is authentic and there is no noise or irregularities in the data. We use it to test the model. We use it to know the efficiency and evaluate the model. So these all things are required for making a predicting model when we are using machine learning to make a model. So now let us discuss about need for machine learning. So the first one is revolution in technology. So there is a race among companies, small startups to invent and create new technologies that can affect or change a human lifestyle or say help them in their day-to-day life. People are inventing new technologies, and yes, in that machine learning can be used. The next is increase in data generation. As we all know that every individual is now connected to internet, and if he is connected, he is knowingly or unknowingly generating a huge data which can be analyzed using machine learning, and if analyzed and used well, can be implemented to make models for social causes and betterment of lifestyles of people. So machine learning is needed uh, for analyzing large data. Next is improves decision making. Yes, machine learning can be used for decision making purposes. For example, if we are seeing the example of stock markets, where people try to figure out which share or which company they can invest to acquire or to get a maximum profit from it. Machine learning can be used for this purpose to make a decision to select a particular investment scheme. So, machine learning can be used for improving a decision making. And next is uncover patterns and trends in data. Yes, there is a huge data generation, and if we are going to figure out the patterns and trends in data, we can use machine learning. Machine learning can be used, and mathematical operations under it or algorithms under it can be used to draw a particular pattern or trend, so that it can be useful for making some models which can be useful, which can be used uh, to predict the outcomes which are required at present. Next is for solving complex problems. Yes, there are many real world problems which we are facing of flood, climate change, natural disasters. हम कई सारी चीजों को हम अब आज देख रहे हैं. Machine learning can be used, and it can be used to predict the outcomes. बहुत पहले से हम इन आउटकम्स को प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं और कोशिश कर सकते हैं कि उसे कम से कम नुकसान हो. सो वी कैन यूज मशीन लर्निंग to solve real world complex problems. Not only for real world, we can uh, solve problems virtually as well using machine learning. So that's all from today's session. We have discussed today about machine learning. We shall continue this in upcoming session. Till then, take good care of yourself. Thank you everyone for joining me today. Thank you.